Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of English Crafter. I'm James, and today we're going to slow down, relax, and learn English.
And I'm Sophia. James, I hope you're ready because today you're going to expose every mistake I have ever made in English.
Not just you, Sophia. These are mistakes people from many places make while learning English.
Ah, good. That means I'm normal. So listeners, if you also make these mistakes, welcome to the club. We're all learning together.
Exactly. No judgment here, just fun learning. All right, let's begin. Today's topic is simple and helpful. Common mistakes people make in English. Let's take it slowly, one idea at a time.
Yes, please. Slow and fun. Without fun, I cannot learn grammar.
Don't worry, there will be plenty of fun. Mistake 1. Myself, Sophia.
Oh, James, this one hurts. I used to proudly say, myself, Sophia, everywhere.
Yes, and it's a very common mistake. Let's understand why. The word myself is a reflexive pronoun. You use it only when an action reflects back to you. Example, I cooked the meal myself. I fixed the door myself. But not myself, Sophia.
So the correct way is simply, I am Sophia, or my name is Sophia.
Listeners, repeat after me slowly. I am. My name is.
Fill in your own name, not mine. I know you love me, but still.
Mistake 2. What is your good name?
People say this to sound polite, right?
Yes, but the phrase doesn't exist in English. Just say, what is your name? Or, may I know your name?
Simple, clear, no extra toppings.
Mistake 3. Revert back.
Oh, the famous office email phrase. Every message ends with, kindly revert back.
Yes, but revert already means go back or reply. So the correct way is simply, please revert, or please reply.
If you use this, your manager may suddenly respect you more.
Maybe, or at least they'll be surprised. Mistake 4. Discuss about. The word discuss never needs the word about. So don't say discuss about. Just say, let's discuss the plan.
So about is like extra stuffing that English doesn't want.
Mistake 5. I did a mistake. In English, we make mistakes. We don't do them. Correct? I made a mistake.
English is dramatic. It wants a mistake to be made like a sandwich.
Mistake 6. He is having a car. The verb have, when used for possession, is not used in the continuous tense. Incorrect, he is having a car. Correct, he has a car.
So just has, no is having.
Mistake 7. I am understanding. Some verbs like understand, know, like, and love are not used in continuous form. So the correct way is I understand, not I am understanding.
James, I understand. Not I am understanding. Okay, James, next doubt. The word prepone. Why doesn't English accept it?
Yes, many learners use this, but English doesn't have the word prepone. Instead, you can say, can we move the meeting earlier? Or, can we reschedule to an earlier time?
English removes the shortcut. It wants full sentences. What about cousin brother or cousin sister?
In English, cousin is already enough. Just say, he is my cousin. She is my cousin.
English removes the family drama again. And the famous one, I passed out of college in 2020.
In English, pass out means faint. So the correct word is graduate. I graduated in 2020.
Important. Otherwise, people will think you fainted during exams.
Let's play a small correction game. I'll say the incorrect version. Sophia will say the correct one. You, the listener, try to answer in your mind before she does.
Let's begin. Slowly, please.
I'll say the incorrect sentence. Sophia will correct it. I didn't went.
I didn't go.
I want one water.
I'd like some water or a bottle of water.
Repeat again.
Repeat or say it again.
Return back the book.
Return the book.
Do one thing.
Here's what you can do. Or try this.
Well done. Let's fix one quick pronunciation mistakes. Receipt. The letter P is silent. Pronounce it as receipt.
English loves silent letters. One big family of quiet alphabets.
Let's slowly recap everything we learned today. Say, I am Sophia, not myself, Sophia. Say, what is your name, not what is your good name. Say, revert, not revert back. Say, discuss the plan, not discuss about the plan. Say, I made a mistake, not I did a mistake. Say, he has a car, not he is having a car. Say, I understand, not I am understanding. Use earlier instead of prepone. Say, cousin, not cousin brother or cousin sister. Say, I graduated, not I passed out when talking about finishing studies.
If you fix just a few of these, your English becomes clearer very quickly. Listeners, write one sentence you used to say incorrectly and write the corrected version next to it. We'll read them in the next episode.
Practice these for the next 24 hours. That's how English sticks. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, mistakes are normal. Improving them is powerful.
And fun, especially when James explains everything and I panic slowly.
We'll see you in the next episode of English Crafter. Bye, and keep learning.